Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I apologize in advance for my weird voice. If this is your first time coming to my channel, welcome. This is not how I usually sound. And for those who are returning, you already probably know from Instagram that I have been struggling with my voice. Sometimes it gets better, sometimes it gets worse, depending on how much spicy food I have. Guilty as charged. I bring it on myself, so I am to blame. But anyways, I can't keep my hands off spicy food. What can you do? Anyways, today I have created this look which is perfect for the holidays. It's an emeraldy green smoky eye, and I used an eyeshadow which is sort of two-toned. In some lights it looks brown, and in other lights it looks emeraldy green. So if you guys want to learn how to get this look, just keep on watching. And I'm going to be starting off with my Naked palette by Urban Decay. And I'm grabbing the brush that it comes with. It comes with a two-sided brush. One's a little bit more tapered and the other one's fluffy, but both of them are pretty fluffy anyways. So they are great for blending. And then I am starting off with Cayenne. And it's not Cheyenne, it's Cayenne. And I am going into the crease with that shade. Just going to be doing a little bit of a chit chat while I'm doing my makeup, so there's going to be a little bit less explaining today. I'm sorry that I haven't been getting as many videos up as I would have liked to. The thing is that unfortunately I'm such a perfectionist when it comes to the work that I post online that there's tons of videos that I have just actually, I've even spent time editing them and filming them, but I've never posted them because I just don't think they're up to par. And I think I need to come out of that habit because it's really slowing down the process of posting and getting content out, because I put all this time to video, yet I'm so hard on myself that I think I need to take a chill pill and know that it's fine, because I'm not a makeup artist. I'm not trying to be. I'm just using YouTube as a platform to kind of get the knowledge that I have, since I do play around a lot with makeup and skincare and anything beauty related. So that's what I have to remind myself. Anyways, I will be going in next with, what shade would go with that? He Devil, which is this shade. It's a very similar one, but it's a little bit more deeper. I'm just going to be going in the same areas that I applied the other one. And then I am now going in with this eyeshadow over here, and I am grabbing a flat brush. Let's see where it shows. Okay, and then I'm grabbing some Fix Plus and spraying that a few times so that once we dip it into this eyeshadow, we're gonna have a lot less fallouts, because this one actually has a lot of fallouts. That's the only downside about it. I'm just placing that on my lid. I feel like where I'm sitting, it really makes me hunch over. It's not a good look. I still haven't perfected my filming room, so I keep moving around my lights to just get the perfect lighting and camera position. So I'm still working on that. Now I am going in with my Smoked palette by Urban Decay, and I am grabbing this Backdoor brown shade, and I'm just cutting the crease with that. And then I'm going back in with my fluffy brush to kind of smoke that out, just because we don't want harsh lines. So I'm going back in with my green eyeshadow, and then we're packing on more now that we have the dark brown shade laid out. Anyways, I'm going now with this black shade to deepen that crease line. So I've had really bad luck with my cold. I've been sick for actually kind of the past month on and off. After coming back from Paris, I got sick off the plane. So I was really, really sick. I think some sort of a germ got into my system and I just got terribly sick. And not by coughing wise, but I mean systematically. Some sort of an external bacteria was in my body, so that took some time for me to get better. And as soon as I was better from that, I had a week and a half where I was feeling okay, and then once I went to LA and came back, I ended up catching an actual cold now, which again, same sort of symptoms happened to me as last time when I got back from Paris. And this time I ended up losing my voice. So I tried to self-medicate at the beginning and it didn't really work, and usually it does, but I think since it's been something that's in my system for quite some time, nothing would actually fix it. So going in with this brush, which I cleaned off, and I'm just going to be smoking that out. And while I do that, I will continue on with saying how now I came back. I said I wanted to be regular with my videos, and I've just been sick in bed, not being able to move. So that's that. A nice present for New Year's before the year starts. Hopefully that'll be the end of my sickness. So now I'm going in with Loaded, which is this green shade over here, and I'm again putting some fixed gloss, dipping my brush into it so I can line my under eyes. Because if you don't do that, for sure you're going to have a lot of fallouts, and that's going to be frustrating. And I'm just bringing it almost to the end, but not fully. And now I'm going in with this tapered brush over here. It's just a fluffier version of the one that I just used. And then I am picking up some of the He Devil from the Naked Heat palette. And I'm just going underneath the green, just to fluff it out. By the way, I don't know if you guys can tell, but for Halloween I ended up purchasing contact lenses because I wanted to do this sort of vampire look. And when I did the order, they actually sent me a complimentary pair of contact lenses, which are these ones. They're pretty natural. You can't really tell. They're kind of hazelish. I guess over my dark eyes, that's how they turn out. But anyways, my point of saying all of this was something else. My point was that I purchased these contact lenses because I also wanted to do a video. And I don't know if you guys remember back when I was trying to do some makeup tutorials for Halloween. I ended up doing a full look, did all the edits, everything was perfectly done, and little did I know this whole time, after all this time and effort that I've put, this lovely black sesame was in the front of my tooth, stuck right in between here. And when I saw that, I was like I was so mad. But I actually laughed it off because I was just like, it was so funny because I'm such a picky person. Probably if it was anybody else, they would have just posted it because it wasn't something you can actually see unless you ended up paying attention, which a lot of you guys do, but it was something that was very small. But anyways, I guess I could have done a feature on Miss Sesame making an appearance on my channel. So now I'm going to be curling my eyelashes. I am going to line them with my eyeliner, which is by REVLON COLORSTAY. So now I'm going to be putting on some mascara, if I can find it. There we go. And I'm using my L'Oreal Voluminous as always. Now I'm going in with my inner eyeliner, which is by Maybelline. And I'm placing that both on the top and the bottom. So now I'm just going to be placing this color on my brow bone, just to clean up a little bit. I wanted it to be shimmery, but I think it might be too shimmery if I do that. I'm going in with my DIORSKIN Luminizer. And then I'm going over where I placed the lighter shade. Packing a little bit on the tear dot corner. Right now I'm going to go on to skin, since it's going to really bring the look together. And I am grabbing my Born This Way foundation in Nude. I find recently when I put concealer, it becomes very cakey under my eyes, and it's really thick, and it just produces creases that were never there. And why would I want to have that happen? So recently I've just been taking a lot lighter foundation. It gives it a much nicer look. Just going to be patting that in with my fingers. Just because since it is so light, if I do use a beauty blender, it's really going to soak up any sort of coverage that it has, and I don't want that. It's already really sheer, so now that I look like a ghost, I'm going in with my luxury powder in Banana by Ben Nye. I'm just going to be baking a little bit, just for a quick second. I'm not going to leave it on for too long. Just grabbing a beauty sponge. And I'm just going to pack that on. And as soon as we're done packing it on the other eye, I'm just going to be wiping it off. And time to just wipe it off. And any excess that I have, I'm just going to be putting it on my forehead. For the rest of my face, I'm taking the Bare Minerals pressed powder in Warm Neutral. And I'm grabbing a dense brush. And this brush is actually from Real Techniques. And this is what it looks like. I'm just placing that everywhere else that I don't have any coverage. Guys, I'm so sorry. The camera shut off on me without me realizing, and I pretty much did this all off camera. Anything after that last step that I did. So pretty much, you know what, the main stuff was the eyes anyway. So I will tell you guys what I used. I used my SUNSTAR bronzer by Rimmel London. My apologies if it looks ugly, but well, it's used. So for my highlight, I went in with my DIORSKIN Nude Luminizer. And I just hit that on a little bit of my forehead, on my cheekbones, on my cupid's bow, and a little bit on my chin. I did go a little bit overboard because it is the holidays, so it's perfect time to take advantage and look extra sparkly. And then I lined my lips with this lip liner. It's kind of a burgundy one. I can't tell you guys what this exactly is because I picked it up while I was in Dubai. So I will tell you what to use if you want to get the same similar look. It's the Makeup Forever in 13C. All I did was put this NYX Butter Gloss on top, and this one is in Madeline. So that's all I did. And before I put my highlighter, I went in with some Fix Plus because it really brought out the shimmer. I think, yeah, I don't think I missed anything else. Anyways, my apologies, guys. So yeah, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this tutorial. I would recommend you guys wear this look to either a Christmas party or even for New Year's. I at least do this look twice every holiday, so it's one of my favorite looks. And this eyeshadow, I hope, actually, I hope they're still selling it, but I believe a similar one is in MAC. So if the drugstore doesn't have this Total Eternity eyeshadow, and then I did mention that this green shadow is called Long-Term Relationship by Total Eternity. So anyways, aside from that, I don't think I have anything else to cover. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate your support. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that like button. And I will see you guys in the next video. Until next time.